Hi, welcome to Netis tutorial, and today we will troubleshoot some problems. Uh, if we are unable to open the configuration page, okay, we are typing the IP address on web browser and we are unable to open the page. So we will just check the connectivity first, and our laptop or desktop should be connected with the LAN port, and modem or DSL modem should be connected to the WAN port. Okay, this is WAN port reserved for the internet connectivity, and power socket should be connected to this power port. And after switching on the device, just make sure the sys LED status. So we can just see in video sys LED. If it's flashing, so that means it's working fine. So this is sys LED is flashing, so this device is working fine. If it's not flashing and there is no any power coming, so you can change the power adapters, or you can just reconnect the power adapters. You can change this power socket, you can change, if possible you can change the power adapter. And we will check the LAN LED. We have connected our laptop to the LAN port, so we will check the LAN LED status. So make sure LAN LED is on. If not, then check your Ethernet cable. This cable we need to check. So we can connect this cable to the second port or third port or fourth port, or we can change this cable. Suppose might be some problem with this cable, so we will not get the connectivity. So LAN LED should be on. Okay, this one, sys LED flashing, LAN LED on. And third thing, we will just make sure our laptop or desktop configurations with IP address assignment. So we will check the IP address assignment in our laptop or desktop configuration. Just click on start, control panel, network and sharing center, change adapter setting, right click on local area connection properties, and click on internet protocol version 4 TCP IP version 4 properties here. Okay, this option obtain an IP address automatically must be clicked, and obtain DNS server address automatically must be clicked. Okay, both IP address and DNS should be automatic. If it's not automatic, we can change. And fourth step, we will just make sure our laptop or desktop getting IP address from the router. Okay, if it not, then reboot the router. So we will just see. Again click on start, control panel, network sharing center, change adapter setting, local area, status, details, and this is the IP address. This is IPv4 address, this is subnet mask, gateway, DHCP server. So that means it's working fine. So if here is no any IP address, it's showing 000, so that means some problem with the router. So you just reboot the router, switch off and again switch on the router, and if possible just change the Ethernet cable. And when we typing the IP address on the web browser, so make sure we are typing the right IP address. Here 9192.168. okay, like we are typing the wrong IP address, so it will not open. So make sure this is IP address is correctly you are typing. If you have made any changes in IP addresses, So if you have changed the IP address earlier, so you must type that IP address on this address bar so that you can get the configuration page. And sometimes some proxy settings are enabled in our browser, so you can just change the browser. Like suppose we are unable to get the access in this Mozilla, so we can change the Internet Explorer. Okay, we can change, we can type IP address here and we can check we are able to open the page or not. And if you are not getting IP address, then we can connect our router to another laptop or desktop. So because sometimes our laptop or desktop LAN card might be there some problem, so we can connect our router to another laptop or desktop. Okay, so and sixth step, we can reset the router in factory default settings. Sometimes we forget the IP address and we are unable to get the connectivity, and we did some settings and we forget all the settings, but we are unable to get the configuration page. Okay, so we will just press this button. Okay, we will press this button, this is reset button. We will press this button 2 to 6 seconds. Okay, so we will use this button. Suppose sometimes we stuck in a setting changes process. Okay, so that time we can reset. And if we can't access it, okay, because we forgot the IP addresses, so we can use this button. So this will put all settings back to factory default settings. Okay, so we can change step by step. Again we can go for the troubleshootings. Okay, thanks for watching. If any problems you are getting, just put on comment. Thank you.